Okay, garden is coming along nicely. These are my Brussels sprouts, and we could probably start taking off some of the lower leaves, but maybe I'll just leave them for another day. Yes, they're doing extremely well. I have interplanted them with rutabagas, and the rutabagas seem to be attracting the bugs, but they're still growing. On the other hand, rutabagas are cool loving plants, and this time of year this is a task they probably will not do any good. I've planted another bed of them just now, starting from seed, so that they will mature in the fall. Cucumbers are doing awesome. Cucumbers are flowering. Tomatoes are flowering like crazy. I've got little tomatoes everywhere. Either flowers or tomatoes. This plant's got a ton of flowers. And this is what the grape tomatoes look like when they're... This stem is going to have quite a few of them. And here we are again. A beautiful stem. And there, that's probably one of the most mature ones. Just look at that. We're going to have lots of tomatoes this year. And over there. And over here some more. And another nice bunch there. Another nice bunch here. Yes, there'll be no shortage of tomatoes this year. Basil is starting to come up. My little lavender transplants are starting to grow. When these are grown, I will put them in a row and have a row of lavender, but for now they're just in the ground trying to mature. Parsley's coming up fine, and I have covered cabbage and cauliflower. So I have done rows, cabbage and cauliflower. Potatoes are doing just fine. I am finding the odd potato bug, scourge of the garden. My sage is doing well. Chamomile is doing well. It looks like it's starting to flower. Onions are doing good. These are just the green onions. And it's pretty hard to pick out the weeds in between, but I'll do that another day. And this row had been planted with white potatoes that did not come up, so I planted more rutabaga there. My spinach is doing amazing. I've already done 2 harvests. And I'm going to wait and do another one. Broccoli is also under cloth right now. And my asparagus is just going for the season. Beans along the fence are doing fine. Peas are doing awesome. And I've got a little bit of lettuce on the inside of this trellis. Hopefully when the beans and peas grow, it'll shelter them. And I'll probably grow more things inside underneath the trellis when I have more shade. I also have more lettuce coming up here amongst the weeds. Didn't want to pick until I was clear what was what, but it's pretty obvious now. So we should clean this weed bed soon and just allow the lettuce to grow. Okay, and radishes are doing awesome. Small carrot bed is growing, and can't remember what this is. Oh yes, Swiss chard. Swiss chard is doing well as well. So my trellis Has beans on one side, peas on the other. And when this grows up over it, when plant some more things here that like shade, like lettuce, because it is really hot. And I'm surprised this lettuce is still growing and hasn't bolted. But I did put it in late as well, so. Okay, grass is another problem here. Can't keep up with the weeds. Likely the same everywhere, but very little I can do about it here. Okay, that's it for now.